process to remove, settle, and negotiate debt can be terrifying. That's why Credit Repair Engine is here to help you fix bad credit. First, automatically dispute negative items on your credit report. And if you don't recognize or don't know what an item is on your credit report, dispute it. Put it on auto drive and we'll help you manage the process. Just tell us what to dispute. A reminder, a dispute can never hurt your score, and you can dispute an item as many times as you want. Next, if there's debt that needs to be paid off, we'll help you do it the right way. Most people think that by just paying your collectors, your credit score will improve. That's not true. Use our guided approach to make sure your credit score increases after you pay off your debt. Finally, we've partnered with a nonprofit to help you pay down and negotiate existing credit card debt that you may have started to fall behind on. Most members using the Credit Repair Engine see their credit scores increase by 30 points in the first 30 days.